Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Toyota Camry. We're talking about this generation here from year 2012 to year 2014. If you guys have one of those, you need to find where the power windows relay is located, which relay you need to check, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays. That way you do not waste your money. Why it's important to test fuses and relays, all that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stand to the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. We'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay in that generation Toyota Camry and every car we get at the garage. Why we do that? Because many of you will need that information sooner or later. Let's say you need a fuel pump guys, fuse, or you need a steering angle sensor. Those will not be labeled correctly. You will have abbreviations that might say something like FI. You may not have an idea that's a fuel pump guys, or fuel injection system. So that's why we're making video for every single fuse, every single relay to save you time and money. And if you're stuck in the middle of nowhere, or if you need to find a fuse, all we have to do, spend a minute or two, watch the video, find out the fuse, instead of guys spending time to find it in the service manual, instead of guys wasting money, okay, and time on parts and tools you don't need. Another thing guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Those are our main YouTube channels. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers guys, and we have more than 10,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repairs. Another thing, let us show you something quick. You have guys some special fuses and relays. We're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping. That way you don't waste your money. You have those multi-block fuses. We'll put the link for them as well, for different fuses, for different relays, okay? All kinds of fuses and relays. If you need to buy some and not to waste your money, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Check it out. So let's start on it now. So now guys, let's explain about the power windows relay, where you can expect to find it. We'll demonstrate on the 2013 Toyota Camry that we have right here. You guys have two different fuse boxes. The fuse box that has the relays, actually just one of them. It's under the hood. You can see this is your engine guys. Car battery is here, fuse box cover is right here. Open that fuse box cover. You will see that layout here. This is towards the windshield side. This is towards the front of the Toyota Camry. But before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here guys, you will have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 relays at the most. None of those is for the windows, so there is very limited information, and based on our experience, most likely it could be at two different places guys. Now you can see you have that big relay. This is known as integration computerized relay right here. It has multiple functions guys, and one of those in our opinion is for the power windows. If it's not there guys, it could be, okay, if you look on the driver's side under the dash guys, right there, you will see, okay, right here under the dash, you have one white cover. Look above the pedals, and when you open it, that's a fuse box here guys, okay, that's the interior fuse box, but behind it, that's your body control module, the BCM. So it could be part of that guys, electronically controlled as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.